For this video, I'm going to show you how you can add custom fonts to a WordPress site. So first, you're going to need the dashboard or the page that you would like to edit. So I go to my editor, and I'm going to edit this page. And I want to add custom font to this header. I will need my custom font files. So I have Mogan Regular OTF and Mogan Regular TTF. And I will need to be able to access the files for this site. So I'm going to be adding these fonts to centercenter.com. I can go to my files and in Plesk and go to CenterCenter. For the CenterCenter domain, the HTTP docs directory is where the files are located. If you're adding this font or any other fonts to another WordPress site, for example, register.centercenter or another site, you would be using one of these directories. But since this is for the main domain, I'm going to HTTP docs. I need to find my theme folder. So I'll go to WP content, then themes. The theme we're using for this site is the 2023 theme. So I'm going to go into there. And as you can see, we don't have a directory for fonts. So I'm going to add a font directory. So create directory, fonts, and enter the directory. Get your fonts and add them. I'm going to add both, but I'm only going to use the OTF. So I have them here in my fonts directory, in my 2023 theme, in my domain. And now that I have that there, I can go back to my dashboard, and I'm going to go to the little styles section, the little half moon in the top right corner. I'm going to add additional CSS. So I'm going to add the font family link here. So this says font face. We're adding a font family. It's named Mogan Regular. The URL is from CenterCenter, the domain, and it goes to the contents, then themes, then the 2023 theme, the fonts directory I created, and we're going to select the Mogan Regular OTF or open type font weight normal. Now that this is here, I'm going to go back to my heading, and I'm going to add a custom style to it. I am going to name it Mogan Font. You can name it whatever you want. It's just the class name that you want to assign. And then you can assign this class to whatever heading or paragraph you want. Or if you choose to, in additional CSS, you can say that all H2 headings are going to have Mogan Font. You can use it just like any other font family. I'm going to add the class here, Mogan Font. That's the class that I named this heading. And I'm going to give it the font family of Mogan Regular. And in case that doesn't work for some reason, we want it to be serif. I'm going to label this as important and then close my bracket. As you can see, it's already changed in the dashboard. And if I hit that save here and go back to my page, I can see that it's updated on the front end as well. So that's how we add fonts to our WordPress site without a plugin. This is manual. There are some plugins that will do it for you. I chose to do it this way, and it worked. So